How to use bike templates in CapCut. So first you want to load your CapCut project, and then you want to go to the templates tab from the top menu. Now in the search bar you want to type bike, and then you will need to go through these bike templates and pick whatever template you want to use. So for example, I'm going to pick this one here at the beginning. Click on it once to start downloading it if you don't have it already, and then click on it again, and then click on the add to track to add it to your timeline. Now you will need to replace any media by your own, such as clips or images. Click on one clip to replace here, then click on the replace button and pick your media that you want to use, and then you should be able to preview. So for example, I'm going to pick this second one or second template, and as you can see right here, the edits. So I want to replace my clip, click on replace and add my own clip. And if you play it, you should notice the edits from the template are being applied, such as the slow down effect right here and the music playing as well, but you can't hear it because I've disabled it while recording. And now you can basically add any other effects that you would need, or transitions or text on top of that. You can also configure the volume. If you select the template, you can adjust the video volume and the music volume as well. And once you're happy with the result, you would export your video and use it. And that's pretty much it. If you find this helpful, subscribe and see you on the next one.